Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. In this video, I would like to share with you on how to sketch and determine the domain and the range of exponential function. So let's get started. For exponential, the first thing first we need to find is the horizontal. Horizontal asymptote. How to get the horizontal asymptote? Easy, just see is any value over here. It is a 0. So clearly it's a y equal 0. Okay, and next, second, we need to know the function is on top of the horizontal asymptote or below the horizontal asymptote. Where to look? Look at the number just in front of exponent. So it's 1 greater than 0. It means that the graph is above lah. Above horizontal asymptote. So if you sketch it like this, okay, xy. So since we know horizontal, maybe I use horizontal asymptote this color okay, and so this is our y equals 0. Now since we know it's above, okay, above, so the possible curve is either this one or this one. It cannot be this one, wrong, because this one below the horizontal asymptote. So padam all this. Okay, now next step, we want to know whether it's going to the right. Okay, since going up, right, the flying to the right like that or flying to the left. Okay, so where to look? Easy, look at the x on top of the e. So it's 3, right? 3 greater than 0. So it's going to the right. So how to fly from to the right? Must start from the left and then you fly up and away. See? Okay, like that. Good. Now, so the function is fx. Now we need to find this value, right? What is this? That is y-intercept. So find y-intercept when what? When x is 0. Now, if you watch my logarithm video on how to find the domain and range for logarithm, I said that it is advisable for you to find x-intercept for logarithm. But for, what is this? Exponential, it is advisable for you to find the y-intercept because exponential function always have a y-intercept. But sometimes they have x-intercept, sometimes they don't. Okay, so E30 y and then 1 lah. E30 300 E0 1 lah. So this one is 1. That one is 1. Okay, done. From here, let's find out what is the domain of f. Domain of f, as you can see here, if the range for logarithm is real number, then the domain for exponent is a real number. Why? You see here, all x's are correspond to the function. All kena to the function, you see? All kena, right? If I keep doing the vertical black line, it keep touching the blue function. Okay. So I put off. Okay, get rid of it. Okay, now, so how about the range? Okay, the range of f is from the 0 here, okay, up until there. Because if we have a horizontal line, okay, and then we keep drag the line going up over there like that, it will touch the function at least once. But it doesn't if I do it like this, going below the horizontal asymptote. So it's from 0 to infinity. Okay, it doesn't include because 0 is not included in the function. Now, next example. Okay, so first step, we are going to find the horizontal asymptote. How to get horizontal asymptote? Easy. Y, you take whatever here. So 1. Okay, next, second step. What to find? We need to know whether it's above or below. Where to look? Look here. So it's a -1 less than 0. So the graph is below horizontal asymptote. Okay, next. Okay, next we look at the coefficient of x. Okay, number 3. Coefficient is 3. 3 is greater than 0. So the graph is going to the right. Okay, now, so we have that. Okay, y blue. Okay, y1 somewhere here. Okay, below going there, correct. Okay, so this is 1. Okay, this is x, this is y. Now, it's below, so it's somewhere here. Okay, and it's going to the right. So how we're going to the right? We must start from the left. So something like that. So this is our gx. Now, how do I know it's going there and going there? We need to find the x-intercept and y-intercept. But since this is what is this? Exponent. Exponent, I advise you to find y first. Okay, so y-intercept when x 0. Okay, so y equals minus e 0 minus 2 plus 1. Okay, and then I think small number also. Minus e, let me use my calculator first. Minus 2 plus 1. So it's 0.865. Okay, so the y is positive, so correct lah. Okay, my intuition. So 865. Okay, how about x-intercept? Okay, so x-intercept when y equals 0. So 0 equals minus ex minus 2 plus 1. And then minus 1 minus ex minus 2. So we have positive both sides, and then we take the normal logarithm, the natural logarithm, and then ex minus 2. This one log 1, log 1 is 0. It's x minus 2, and then it become 1. So x is clearly a 2. Okay, so I get rid of that and put 2 over there. So we've done label them and all that. Let's find out what is the domain of G and the range of G. Okay, now domain of G, domain real number. Okay, easy. Now the problematic one maybe, okay, is the range. As you can see, as I said, okay, it must start from the horizontal asymptote. Start from 1, but it is going down. So cannot put like that lah. Cannot put like that. I must put the 1 over here. Okay. Okay, and then it's from minus infinity until 1. It's from minus infinity here until 1, but not included. Okay, so let's move on to the last example. Okay, now first step, we need to find horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote, where is the number other than exponent? So y equals minus 2. Good. Next, okay, we want to know whether it's on above or below. So look at the coefficient of e. So it's a minus 2. Minus 2 less than 0. So it is below horizontal asymptote. Now, number 3. Number 3, where we want to know whether it's going right or going to the left. So look at the coefficient of x in the power of exponent. So it's a minus 1 less than 0. Go to the left. So we have minus 2. Minus 2 down there. I make like this lah. X, y. Okay. And then y minus 2. I just claim this minus 2. Okay. And then below also. Okay. So below means must be somewhere here. Cannot be here. Okay. So going to the left. We must start from the right in order to go to the left. So this is our mx. Okay, now what is the value over here? That is the y-intercept. So let's find the y-intercept. Y-intercept when x is 0. So y equals minus 2 minus 2e, sorry. Minus 2e minus 0. So it's 1. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So clearly this one is minus 4. Okay, the intersection, not that orange horizontal asymptote. Yeah. So from here, let's find out the domain and range. The domain of M is real number. It is for the universal domain for all exponent, and range of M is from minus infinity. So from bottom there up until minus 2. Up until minus 2. Okay, so maybe yes. Okay. So from that, I hope it is beneficial for you to understand about domain and range for exponent. Thank you for your time and attention. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.